The pelvic curl works the abdominal muscles, the hamstrings, and the glutes, and it also helps with spinal articulation, really being able to bend and move that spine. You can be on the floor, lay on your back, knees are bent, feet are flat on the floor, arms by your side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to peel our pelvis up. So think about your abs are going to come in. As you exhale, peel your pelvis off of the floor, one vertebrae at a time. Tighten your hamstrings and glutes. And then roll it back down. Really use those abdominals to push your spine into the floor. One at a time. Pull your pelvis up to the ceiling to allow your upper back to get down first. Good. And again, abdominals come in to peel your pelvis up. Hold it. Tighten those glutes and hamstrings. And roll it down. One vertebrae at a time. Peel it up. Hold it. Tighten those glutes and hamstrings. Use those abs to roll it down. And again, peel it up. Start with those hips first, then pull the back up. Push up with those hamstrings. And roll it down. Five more. Roll it down. Peel it up. Tighten those glutes. Roll it down. Hold it. Roll it down. Doing great. Two more. Make them good ones. Pull those abs in. Peel that pelvis up. Lift it to the ceiling. Hold it tight with those hamstrings and glutes. And roll it down. Starting up here, roll down. Tilt those hips forward. Last one. Inhale, exhale as you peel it up. Hold it. Feel those hamstrings and glutes working. Keep those abs engaged. And roll it down. One vertebrae at a time. Bring your knees in, give yourself a little hug. And roll it up. Very good. Great job on the pelvic curl.